It's Leanna and Cassandra with MagNeat.O. We are adventure bound. We just got in the car, we packed all of our stuff, and we decided that we're going to go try out Elko. It's a little place out in the middle of nowhere, kind of like
4 miles away, or 4 hours away?
Yeah, 4 hours away. It's south of Winnemucca, which is where my mommy was born.
No, it's not south of Winnemucca.
It is south of Winnemucca.
It's...
I'll show you a map. It's south of Winnemucca. Anyways, we're on our way. We're going to travel 4 hours there. We're going to stay in a little hotel, and then we're going to spend the rest of the day out there magnet fishing, hopefully. And hopefully we find some good, interesting, fantastic things. If not, maybe we can do a little garbage picking.
That's going to happen anyway.
That's going to happen. That always happens. See?
Alrighty, so we actually kind of just woke up and had breakfast. We really wanted to do a video of us at the hotel, but we got here and it was just night time. We just went to bed. Just like, I'm sorry.
Driving makes me tired.
I know. So we got here, we went to bed, we woke up, had their like continental breakfast. It's pretty good. And so we're heading down to the Spring Creek Marina here in Elko, and we're gonna do some magnet fishing, and we will tell you or show you what we're gonna get. So the next shot you're gonna see, you're basically gonna be there. Super excited. And here we are. Look at the back. That is the dock that we're gonna go magnet fish. I'm gonna keep this really short because I just want to get out there and start magnet fishing. Leanna's picking up trash right now. Let's go. Dude, the wind game here is strong. I had to come into the bathroom, which is probably why it's a little echoey. Hello. But I came in here because it's so windy outside that you can't really hear our dialogue, which sucks. But we had a whole bunch of kids come, and they had their parents with them. And one of them name was Riker, which I thought was really cool. And we told them about the Riker magnet, and they were really fascinated with what we were doing, and we were talking to them, and they lost their their fishing pole. So what we did, well, Cassandra went and tried to help them, and we brought out our hook. What do you call that? Grappling hook. We caught our grappling hook, and we tried, we couldn't get it. And so finally one of the moms was like, "Can I try?" We're like, "Oh yeah, have that." And she scooped it out. I was like, that's what I'm talking about. That's awesome. So they got their fishing pole back, and they left, but I thought it was really cool. We got to show them what we do and what we're about. So hopefully we can hear the audio of that, but I doubt it. The wind is doing all of this because it's hot, but it's windy, so I don't know. Anyway, Cassandra's still out there magnet fishing. She's doing her thing, and we're gonna continue on with our day.
We just got our butts kicked by the wind, but we were out there for about 3 hours and we didn't catch as much as we thought we did, but I don't think we've caught more fishing wire and hooks and weights in any other pond or lake we've ever been to. So that feels really good knowing that it is no longer in that pond. We also kept pulling out bottle caps that literally if you touched them, they just eroded. They just like crumbled and turned into dust. It was the weirdest thing. That means it's been there down there so long, and we pulled it up, and that's really good. I actually did catch a pair of sunglasses, which with my muscular magnetics, right when it hit the top, I ended up falling, and I didn't get to pull it out, and I couldn't find it again. But it pulled it up by a baby screw. Like, that's insane. So we got back to the house. We took a shower, got everything out of the car, and we just had a great time. We really loved driving somewhere we've never been before in our own state. We were thinking about going somewhere else, but we're like, I'm gonna go home. I can't feel my body, it's so sore. That wind was something crazy, and it was super fun. I hope you enjoyed what we did do and what we did find. Leave us any comments or suggestions on what you would like to see next time, or what you did or didn't like maybe, and we will move forward from there just to see if we can make things better. But we plan to make some more videos this summer, and we hope to see you around. This is MagNeat.O.